Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Kindly share to your friends, subscribe if you have not subscribed before, and comment so that we'll be able to moderate or adjust some things on our videos. We have a lot of videos for you to play with. We have over 400 videos for you. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, chemistry. On this video, I'll be on plane geometry. This is video 3 on plane geometry. The first one is on definition, the second one is on questions like this, and another one is just like this. Now, how do I solve something like this? This is a question that is given to someone and you're unable to solve it. Now, how will you solve something like this? Solution to this problem. Now, if I were you, the first thing I will do is that I can do like this: P plus 245 equals to 360. Angle at a point. Angle at a point. Now, angle at a point, that is the first step I will take. It means my P will be equals to 360 minus 245. My P will be equals to 115 degree. Now that is my P. Now my P is equals to 115 degree. Is there anything I can do again? I've gotten my P. Remain my X. If I were you, I can make the line like this. Now call this place F. Call this place C. Don't forget that X plus C plus F equals to 180. Angle on triangle. Sum of angle on a triangle. Since I know that, is that the case? Do you know that I can say that P plus T equals to 180? Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. Since I know that angle on a straight line comes to play, and my T will be equals to 180 minus what is my P? My P is given as 115. My P is given as 115, which I will be having my P. My T will be what? 65 degree. That is will be 65 degree. Now, what else can I do? Do you know that permit me to draw this. My F equals to 80. We call it alternate angle. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Please take note of that. Now, since I know that is the case, I can now say that my T plus F plus X degree, they are all in degree, are equals to what? 180. Angle on the angle on the triangle. Angle on the triangle. I have my F, I have my T. It means 60 plus 80 plus F equals to 180. My S will be equals to 80 and 50. 80 and 45. It will be 145. It means 80 minus 145 degrees. My X, this will be equals to 35 degrees. That is 35 degrees. That is all what I need to do there. That is all what I need to do there. Now let me show another problem, another question that is also become a problem to someone. Maybe it will also be a problem to you. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Now look at this rubbish. I have this question. Look at this question. Also, it's a very nice question that is very simple. When I have something like this solution, I'm looking for my X. Now, the first thing I will do is that I will draw this line here. Please take note of that. Since I draw that line there, I can now say that with this, what can I do? I can call this place Y. I can call this place y, and what else did I need to call that place? That this also, let this line go down very well. I call this place 1, 0 degree. Now, if that is the case, it means z also will be here. Now, z plus y equals to 180. We all know that angle on a straight line is 180. Since I have that, I can now say that due that my z is also the same as 1 degree, 110 degree, which is corresponding angle. Now, since they are corresponding to each other, I can now say that what my 110 plus y equals to 180. My y equals to 180 minus 110 degree. Now, since I have that, my y will now be equals to 70 degree. My y equals to 70 degree. Now, since my y equals to 70 degree, now my y equals to 70 degree. You can say that you can see that my y equals to x equals to 70 degree, which is corresponding also. Which is corresponding angle. That is all about that. Okay, that is all about that. Now, let me work another one. Let me work on another question that also help us to understand this very, very well. Now, look at this problem. Okay, look at this question. It's another simple question. You are asked to find everything that is not given there. Beta, m, theta, and p. Now, how do I go for this problem? The first thing I will do is that beta plus 125 equals to 180. Now, angle, sum of angle on straight line. Now, which I have that, it means my beta equals to 180 minus 125. Now, my beta equals to what? 55 degree. Since I have that as 55 degree, now my beta equals to m. My beta, because this is what? Is corresponding, they are corresponding to each other. Now, since they are corresponding to each other, it means it also be equals to 55 degree. Now, since it's that 55 degree, I can now say that 65 plus m plus theta equals to 180. Sum of angle on triangle. Sum of angle on triangle. It means what else can I do here? I have my m as 55. It means my theta will be equals to 180 minus 65 plus this is going to be 25. That'll be 120. Now it means it will be 60 degree. My theta will be 60 degree. It means my theta is 60 degree. Let me quickly fix them up. 60 degree. This one will be 55 degree. What else have I looked for? My beta is also given as what? My beta is also 55 degree. Now, the last thing I need to find is my p. How do I generate my p? My p will be given as p plus 60 equals to 180. Angle on a straight line. It means my p will be equals to 120 degree. My p will be equals to 120. It means here will be 120 degree. That is all. That's all about that. Now, let me another problem so that I can be able to understand this thing very, very well. Now, look at this problem also. Now, look at this question. I'm asked to find y. Find y. Now, since I find y, how do I get my y? And x also. And x. How do I go for this thing? The first thing I need to understand here is that I can say that sum of opposite interior angle equals to 180. X plus 125. X plus 135 equals to 180. That is sum of interior opposite angles. That is what I need to know there. It means my x 180 minus 130, which I have my x equals to 50 degree. My x is 50 degree. Since my x is equals to 50 degree, I can also do the same thing for my y, which is 125 plus y equals to 180, which is sum of angle on this, which I will be having y equals to 180 minus 125. My y equals to what? 55 degree. That is all what I need to do there. That is all about that. Now look at this another problem. Can you see it's getting better? I think I've solved from this. I think I've solved a lot of questions that it really help you. Now look at this problem. Look at this y equation. You are asked to find x. You are asked to find x. How do I go for x? If I were you, I can name this place as A, B. Don't forget A, B. And don't forget that my A equals to 30% degree, which is corresponding. And A equals to B, vertically opposite angle. That one I'll show you there. Since I have that, it means I can say that vertically opposite. And okay, what can I do here? Vertically opposite. I can say that 70 plus x, 70 plus b, 70 plus b equals to x. 70 plus b equals to. Now it means exterior angle equal to interior opposite angle. That is what I'm trying to say there. Now it means sum of this equals to the what I'm trying to explain to you there. Now, and I know my b as 30, it means my x will be equals to 70 plus 30, which is my x equals to 100 degree. That is all I need to find there. Please take note of that very, very well. Very, very, very well. Now, look at another problem. Now, look at this another problem. Look at this question. We are finding x. Find x. How do I solve this type of problem? The first thing I will need to understand here is that the first thing I will need to understand is that there are a lot of things to do here. But if I start from saying, call it this place V, call this place Y, and call this place Z. Okay. And this place become C and X. T and S. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that my Y equals to 45 degrees, which we call it vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Since I know that is the case, do you know that I can say that I can also say that, okay, now since I have something like this, what can I do? I can say that everything that is here is a straight line. Don't mind my hand, is a straight line. Now I can say that what 85 degree plus y plus z equals to 180 degree. Angle on a straight line. We all know that angle on a straight line. My y is given already. It means my z will be 180 minus 85 plus 45. It will be 130. It will be 130 degree. Now, since I have that as 120, it means my z will be equals to 50 degree. My z will be equals to 50 degree. Now, since I have my z as 50 degree, what else can I do again and again and again and again? Since my v will be equals to 85 degree, which is what? They are vertical opposite angle. Since I have that as 55, do you know that also this and this are equal? V equals to t plus 34 degree. Now, what is my v? It means 85 equals to plus 34 degree. It means my equals to 85 plus, which is my v equals to, if I should minus this from that, it will be 51. Yes, it will be 51. Since I have 51 degree, I have my that as 51 degree, I have my z. I can answer that what? Z plus t plus x equals to 180 degree. Angle on the triangle. Since I know that angle on the triangle is given as that, it means I can now say that 51 plus what is my z? My z is 50 plus x equals to 180 degree. My x equals to 180 minus 101. My x equals to 180 minus 101, which is my x. It will be equals to 79. Sorry about that. 79 degree. Since I have that at 79 degree, I can answer that x plus equals to 360, which is angle at a point. Since I know angle at a point is equals to that, it means my s is given to 71. It means my s will be equals to 360 minus 79 degree, which is my s equals to 360 minus 79 will be equals to 281 degree. 281 degree. That is what I'm looking for. Now, let me try to show another question. Last question for this part, and let's see how it will go. Okay. Look at this question. I want to solve this type of question. What can I do? Solution. Now, the first thing I will do, I think with this line to be parallel, it means here is also equal to what is here. Now, it means 2x plus 10 are equal. Since I have that, y plus 20 plus 2x plus 10 plus y equals to 180. This and this, that is what I'm trying to do here. Now, since I have this, I can say that 2y plus 30 plus 2x equals to 180. Reduce everything by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. Y plus 15 plus 2 equals to 90 degree. Now, since I have this, It means y plus x equals to 90 minus. Now, my y plus x equals to, which is going to be 75 degrees. Now, my x equals to 75 minus x. That is what we're talking about. I'll be stopping here. Don't forget you are home with further solutions academy. Once again, thanks for watching.